004, hey man. So you called? Scene Bilkul normal se start hoda high. Lekin AAP notice carrying Kai's first witness key tone already panic show car rahi high. He peeled out really fast, comes out his gun. Yahan se incident ka legal framework activate ho jada high. Jab firearm brandish home key report milti high. Officers kali ae high risk response category ban jadi high. 014, he starts yelling, pulling the gun. AAP notice carrying Kai's witness sequential narration daraha high. Peli aggressive driving. For confrontation. For alleged firearm display. Yahan situation bilkul tense ho gai. Ek oradhood par. Car rev ho rahi high. Alleged weapon. Children inside gym hiding. Critical question. AAP Kia Sakti Hain Officer Kapas Yahan Kaun Se Options Hain? Domestic dispute? Aggravated assault with vehicle? Brandishing firearm? Short summary. Vehicle used aggressively. Woman allegedly on hood. Possible firearm involved. Civilians hiding in gym. Scene escalate ho chuka high before police even arrive.
You called?
Yeah, I was right there, walking to the gym. There's some dude that peeled out of here like really fast. So he comes back, stops right there, pulls out his gun, walks towards the lady that's in the garage. She's screaming on top of her lungs with her daughter, and he starts yelling at her, pulling the gun. So then I ran to the gym, told everybody to hide. I come back, and either he's gone or the car's in the garage, and they're both upstairs.
All right, what did you see?
So that's my apartment right up there on the 3rd floor. I had just walked down to go for a walk with my girlfriend and our puppy. We came right across here. Pretty much as we got to this grass right here, all of a sudden we heard like what the fuck you. We turned around, that was right behind us, that garage right there, not the one that's open, but I can't remember. I think it's the middle one.
All right.
Looked like a black gray, some kind of dark Tesla, and there was a woman. The moment that I turned around, I was trying to rush my girlfriend over to those bushes to get away from what was happening. She was like double fist slamming down on the hood of the car. I don't know, I didn't see any altercation prior to that. I don't know how it started. Okay. And then the guy started revving and trying to come out of his garage, and she was literally on the hood. Like, she got up on the car and he full on accelerated with her on the hood.
Just 1 second, I gotta get one story at a time.
Okay, I'm the person I think that they called about.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute.
So, yeah, multiple times he kept trying to accelerate to knock her off the hood. By then, we were right about there trying to duck into the bushes, and then I heard him go really fast, and I came here and looked, and he was literally trying to do circles around this lot here as fast as he could to whip her off of the car. And then I heard a crash, I heard someone yell really loud, and by then we took off and everyone went to the gym. And then someone came in and said somebody had a weapon, so everyone was hiding in the kids' room in the gym inside of there. That's where I called from. So that's all I got for you.
049, looked like a black, dark Tesla. Witness detail Daraha High. Car description. Location. Movement pattern. 112, she got up on the car and he full on accelerated. Abdeki Kia Hoda High. Vehicle Ko Agar intentionally G Shi Ko harm Karn Kulia use Kia J, legally e deadly weapon treat Hosakta High. Car surf transport Nahi, aggravated assault Ka Tool Ban Sakti High. 133, trying to do circles, to whip her off. Yahan Deki Har second Ka impact Kitna critical high. Agar ya maneuver deliberate the, intent prove Hosakta High. Agar reckless the, Furby felony level charge possible. Jim main log chup gay. Someone had a weapon. Public fear factor legally important Hoda High, Kyunki disturbance or threat community-wide Hogaya. Short transition. Ob officers Ko Dono narratives verify Karn Hain, witness or involved parties.
Alright, so what happened tonight?
Nothing, we just got into a little altercation.
Something happened tonight, so it's not nothing. What?
We just got into a little altercation.
Who's we?
Me and my husband.
Okay. What kind of altercation?
He was trying to leave, and I didn't want him to leave. And I sat on the car, and I slid into it when he drove off. And I was just chasing him, and then the dog.
Who are you waving at?
Just letting him see that I was here.
Alright. deal with that in a second. Alright. So, walk me through start to finish what actually happens.
That was literally start to finish, and then
So, why are y'all arguing?
me and him arguing?
Yeah. This doesn't just happen for no reason, right? We don't have people climbing on cars and driving around fast. Like, what set all this off?
Fast, I mean, was maybe
just
not from here to there.
Focus on me, not him.
Well, he's not over there anymore, but...
Okay. So, how did this all start?
It's just... We had a stillborn son in December. And I had a really explosive episode. So I'm just a little sad that my son died. And he doesn't like to talk about it with me. And he wanted to leave instead of talking about it. I wanted him to stay. And that was it. But there wasn't like anything like they're making out to be.
Alright, is there any punching, kicking, slapping, biting, choking, spitting?
No, I just wanted him to talk about Carter dying, and he doesn't like to talk about it.
1:55, Officer Female SE Pukta High. What happened tonight? Nothing, just a little altercation. AAP notice carrying Kai's minimization start Hody High. Yeah, common domestic response pattern high. Officer immediately clarify Carter High, something happened tonight. Yahan Officer Kufile Kaasar Turant Dikta High, he refuses vague answers. Clear articulation demand Carter High. 2:11, he was trying to leave and I didn't want him to leave. Yahan SE domestic dispute angle confirm Hoda High. Important legal nuance. Agar koi moving vehicle par bith the haya intentionally interfere Carter High, reckless endangerment ya disorderly conduct charges possible ode hain. 2:49, Officer Kata High, focus on me. Deki Kai's control Banaya Jaraha High. Emotional scene high, Lekin interview structured high.
Making sure I'm tracking 100% on this. You try to talk to him about the stillborn child, which I'm sorry for your loss. He decides he wants to leave and not talk about it.
He just never can talk about any fucking thing. Anything with emotion, anything.
At least for tonight.
Sorry, yes.
He tries to get in the car to leave.
I sat on the car.
You sat on the car.
Like this to the side.
Okay, and then what happens?
He went a little way, I went back. Then the dog went out, jumped out. I ran that way after the dog. I mean, I'm sure they fucking recorded it. I ran that way after the dog. He went that way. Then he came back.
Is he known to carry a firearm?
Not on him, but we do have weapons in our home. But he didn't have a gun on him though. And he came back. He stopped here. I was in the middle of the street talking to this woman in the green. He jumped out.
So, when he jumped out, what did he have a gun in his hand? Was he...
No, I didn't see a gun.
Was he yelling anything?
Honestly, I can't remember if he was yelling anything. I was yelling.
What were you yelling?
To come fucking home. To stop. And honestly, I can't remember if I said anything else. If they said I said something else, I may have.
Alright. We'll go try to talk to him real quick.
3:13, we had a stillborn son in December. Of emotional layer enter Hody High. Trauma. Grief. Marital strain. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer empathy show Carter High, I'm sorry for your loss. Yeah, procedural nuance important high. Officers KO facts collect Karn Hain, Lekin human element ignore Nahi Kar Sokt. Lekin legal lens neutral Hoda High. 3:52, officer checks, any punching, kicking, choking? Ye mandatory domestic violence checklist high. Physical violence confirm ye deny Karna Zarori Hoda High. Situation of maximum emotionally escalate Ho Chuki High, Lekin Ubi Tak criminal threshold unclear high. Critical turning point Ubi Anabaki High.
Yeah, I think so. Alright.
I told them they're fighting about Carter. They want to talk to you about Carter.
Alright.
I'm curious because there's a lot of silence. So.
Alright.
We just were debriefing.
I understand that.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Excuse me?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Why are you rolling up on me?
Hey, Stacy! Get back! Get back!
Get down! Ma'am, get back! Get back! Ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Hey, I'll hold cover. Detain her.
Hey, get off of him! Get off of him! Just, hey!
447, is he known to carry a firearm? Officer Risk Assessment Mode Main Chalagaya. Domestic plus vehicle aggression plus alleged gun equals lethal risk possibility. 505, did he have a gun in his hand? She says no. Witness any ka yes. Contradiction. AAP kia expect kar rahi the kuyi moment ace bad lega? Yahan officers split verification kardi hain, ek wife se bot karda high, dusra husband approach karega. Ya tactical separation technique hodi high. Statements compare kai jade hain. Suspense build ho raha high.
Okay, we'll deal with that. Just give me a second. Deep breath. Ma'am, get out of the way. We will help.
My baby!
We will. Just sit down. Sit down. Take a breath. Sit down and breathe. Okay?
He just retired.
Ma'am, I get you. Just sit down.
546, officer husband se approach Carter High. Do you have any weapons on you? Direct safety question. Standard protocol. Why are you rolling up on me? Tone shift. Defensive posture. AAP notice carrying Kai's distance or body language escalate ho rahi high. Sudden movement. 658, get back. Get back. Yahan situation bilkul explosive ho gai. Officers loud commands to rahi hain, kyunki unknown threat level high. Weapon report already documented high. Yahan dekihar second ka impact kitna critical high. Split second decisions.
This guy right here?
Yeah, I think so.
Is my wife here being detained for something? I'm just curious because there's a lot of silence. So.
We just were debriefing.
I understand that.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Excuse me?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Why are you rolling up on me?
716, shots fired. Send us some units. Ya wo moment high jahan narrative irreversible ho jada high. Use of force escalation ladder normally verbal physical less lethal tac jada high. Lekin agar officer ko imminent deadly threat perceive ho, lethal force legally justified ho sakta high. Suspects down. AAP notice carrying Kai's immediately focus shift ho to high. Cover hold. Detain wife. Scene secure. Procedure clear high, threat neutralize, secondary risks control, medical response initiate. Emotional chaos could beach command structured hain.
Get back! Get back!
Oh my God! What did you do?
Get back! Juliet 660, shots fired. Send us some units. We're 77. Hey, I'll hold cover. Detain her. Actually. Ma'am, get back!
Get over here. Just, hey, ma'am. Okay, we'll deal with that.
Juliet 660, suspects down. We're 77. We're trying to detain the victim.
Can we get my baby?
735, we're trying to detain the victim. Critical nuance, terminology shift. Peli suspect. Of victim word use ho raha high. Investigation dynamic hodi high. Wife screaming, get my baby. Yahan emotional collapse full display main high. Grief layered over trauma layered over sudden shooting. AAP Kia Sakti Hain, Agar Peli high clear communication hodi. Agar vehicle incident escalate na hoda. Agar firearm report false ya misinterpreted na hodi. Bodycam incidents rarely black and white ode hain. Domestic pain, fear perception, tactical response, sabek high moment main collide cardi hain. Final reflection. Witness narrative versus involved narrative. Domestic grief trigger. Alleged firearm. Rapid escalation. Shots fired. Yahan officer could decision ka affect turant unfold hua, or consequences permanent ho gay. Real-life bodycam drama scripted nahi hoda. Har second unpredictable hoda high. Or jab, do you have any weapons on you? Ka jawab hesitation kusaf ada high. Kabi uski bad sab kuch seconds main change ho jada high. AAP kia sakti hain, kia ya escalation unavoidable t. Yakoi or path possible the.